Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid being muted on TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, click on this plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. And click on upload. And upload the video that you want to avoid being muted and click next. Now you'll find this drop down button, click it and scroll down and you'll find volume. Just turn it to full and click down and click next. And click post. And you'll see that you have avoided being muted. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.